We'll see what's inside it. Okay, you see that? That's why this link stabilizer came out with there. Oh my god. See, that's what's happened if you don't take care of your car. This one is not good too. See? Now, after I secure everything underneath, and I'm gonna go inside to find out what's going on. There you go. This is broken. It's gonna be lots of work. So we're gonna replace that. It didn't move. There you go. Fuck's sake. Sorry. Too much money if you go to the mechanic. Just gonna go and buy the parts. See, both sides like this you need to replace. That's why you swing like, you know. Hi guys, I just got the parts, so I will start to put it on together here. We got the link stabilizer, side by side, and the stud, so I have to put this back also. So now in order to remove the stud easy, see, I think it's on the park, so I have to stud too, I mean lug nut. So in order to push this in here, you need to use this bolt to tie it, and then we'll pull it in that way, even make it even. Okay. I don't need to use the machine, so I just go by this and make sure get in straight. Instead I use the hammer, I use this, that way I know that's gonna be straight to put it in. Now once I come in more, I can use my machine now, that way faster. Let's see. go. Now, it's tight and neat. Yeah, you can see. Come on. Perfect. So, next step is my caliper. Pull it back in. And I think I'm gonna put the link stabilizer first. That way, I think both of them are faster. Come on, get out. Gonna go to work. Can you see it? No. Inside, come on. Get to work. There you go. I gotta lose this one to go down that sway bar. That one easy to put it on. Yeah, come on. There you go. That's good enough. Come on. Baby. Oh my.